to the channel. Sorry for the long delay about my videos, but here we're playing Subway Surfer. My friend Chris, he's gonna be so excited because they got a new character. Yeah, I'm not excited. You're gonna be. And I got the robot.
Bro, I got
the space outfit robot.
We're recording a YouTube video.
Here's your tip. Unlock first by collecting special offer tokens.
Coach, look, this cup is on, right? Look, this tap's on. Put up here.
Look. I didn't want to see that phone. No, nigga, I'm gonna play first.
Okay, look, no. It's gonna show me dancing.
Okay, guys, here we go. My new space outfit. Look at that walk. Look at that run. Look at that run. Look at them run.
Okay, after that.
Oh no, I got the cops, the popos. Don't take that.
Nigga, this kid is
like... 2 jetpack versions complete.
People like Subway Surfer, you know that even sucks.
That's good, kind of.
Kind of. I'm gonna make other videos about endings instead. Ah, my phone's ringing like crazy because of my Instagram. Oh shit. I'm making a video. Okay, guys, the end. Bye.